is brought to you by Katialis Ointment and Soap. Laging patok sa skin disease.
Horses out, we have Don Enrico. Pass to begin. Shining Fame is on the outside as 26 in the middle. And 3 lengths a win for this. I did it my way. Don Enrico, the leader by about 3 for Balenka. Being pressed by Shining Fame in second. 2 lengths a win third as 26. 4 lengths still in fourth is I did it my way. Into the turn for the 2009 Pilracom Yellow Topaz 1. Don Enrico goes on by about 2 lengths this time. At in second still is Shining Fame as 26 is by the third. And about 7 lengths a win for this I did it my way. We have Don Enrico this time by about 2.5 lengths. Shining Fame trying to get closer in second as 26 is down inside third, and I did it my way inside the 3 octavo. And it's still Don Enrico by about 3 lengths. Shining Fame remains in second as 26. I did it my way, but Don Enrico this time by about 6 lengths. Shining Fame remains in second, down inside as 26. I did it my way as they come down at the last 150. Don Enrico by about 6 lengths. Shining Fame still in second. I did it my way. Entering the finish line, we have Don Enrico second. Shining Fame, I did it my way as 26.
No need for the sticks, ika nga. Hindi man lang pinalo ni Donoy itong si Don Enrico. Hindi na kinailangan. At tingnan natin yung ating preba for Don Enrico. 17, 24, 25, 26, 1 minute, 32 seconds flat ang preba po nitong ating unofficial winner for the 2009 Pilracom Yellow Topaz 1, and that one is